Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sundrit Hajra. Today I am going to show you how to apply image texture to meshes in Blender. So let's get started. So first I am going to open Blender. So here I have opened Blender and by default we see this splash screen at the beginning. Now let's open up General, and in General we see this default cube which is already selected. For applying image texture to any mesh, you need to first select it, but by default this cube is already selected, so let's proceed to the next step. So the next step is you have to go to this material in the properties. So you see this materials, let's click on this, and now by default you will see we already have a material. If you don't have a material, let's delete this material, all you have to do is click on new, and then you will get a material, and by default the material name is going to be material.001. So next things I will show you by making this window a little bigger so you can see all of these things properly. Here you will see that the surface is by default selected as principled BSDF. Let it remain that. And you will see this base color. In this base color, click on this yellow thing, and here you will see this texture heading. Go to this image texture option. And now you have selected the image texture option in base color. Then you have to do one thing which is very important. So the thing is you have to switch the view. For switching the view, you have to just go to this section of this window and then select material preview, or you can select rendered view. So in these both views you can see the texture, but in the solid view you cannot see the texture. Just select any two of these views. I am just selecting this material preview view. So we have the material. Now next thing we have to do, you have to click on open and then select the file which you want to apply as texture. So I've selected this file. Let's open the image. Now the image is processing, and here we got the image. So this is the texture which we have applied. If you want to edit this texture, you have to go to this texture paint tab, and now you can edit it from here. I'll make a separate video on that, how can you edit the texture paint. So that's how I applied image texture to a mesh in Blender. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.